Well, hello guys. In this video tutorial we are going to talk about Java thread states. In my opinion, it is a very interesting topic because all nodes exist in Java thread states, but it is very useful to go through your code execution and catch all thread states and see the circumstances your thread being in and influence on its state. Okay, in my application we have class called myThread that extends thread, Java thread. It contains two fields, final string name and final object access point. Here we pass it to the constructor and our object is built. The next one is working thread. It extends myThread. It contains one extra field, time to sleep. It is int. We pass it here to the constructor. Here we override run method. Here we have one method that will be called several times in my application. Let's go there, and it is static void log. Here we pass string message, and inside our method we just print to the console current time in this format, current thread name and message. So it will be the output of our code execution that we can see in the console. Okay, so here in the method run we print that our thread starts running, then it is going to sleep for time to sleep. This time to sleep seconds. Then it goes to synchronized block. It catches access point and calls access point wait. Here we have a little logic that if name of our thread equals to competitor, our thread is going to sleep for 500 milliseconds. Then it releases access point and finally prints that it has completed his job. The next one is notifying thread. It also extends myThread and contains one extra field called time to notify. Here we have time to sleep. Here we have time to notify. Here is the constructor. And here we override method run. In this method we print that our thread is going to notify all waiting threads in time to notify seconds. Then it is going to sleep for this time, and then it goes to synchronized block and calls access point notify all. So our working thread calls wait for access point, and our notifying thread calls notify all. So our notifier will be notifying all threads that are waiting. Working thread waits, notifying threads notifies all threads. Okay, let's go to the main method. In the main method here we have, as a result of our execution, we have linked hash set states. Here is generic. It is thread state. As you can see, it is public enum state, and it contains all Java thread states: new, runnable, blocked, waiting, timed waiting, and terminated. Here is description. You can see the documentation for this class. Okay, so it is our states. It will collect all states for our main thread. Main thread, it is a working thread. Okay, the next one is object stop. It is access point. It will be shared between all our threads. Here we print that our application is starting. Here we create our main working thread. It is called working thread. It contains and catches access point and time to sleep 1 second. So here we print that for our working thread current state is new. As you can see, thread state for a thread which has not yet started is new. So here state for our working thread is new. We will add it to states. Here we create thread called competitor. Its name is competitor. It has same access point and its time to sleep is 3 seconds. Here we have a notifier. Its name is notifier. It has same access point and time to notify is 5 seconds. And here we start in all threads. We call working thread start and print its state. Its state is runnable. When we call thread start, its state is runnable after this. And then we just put current state for our working thread to the R states linked hash set. After that we just call competitor start and notifier start. Then in the loop from 0 to 5000 our main thread is going to sleep for 1 millisecond and then ask our working thread for its state. Here is some logic that if our linked hash set states doesn't contain working thread state that we have here, we will print it. So we will print current state at this time of our working thread and then just add it to the R states linked hash set. Here we print that code states are and just print all states from our linked hash set and then we are done. Okay, let's run it. Okay, here we are starting, then working thread current state is new because we just created. Here we start in all threads, then working thread current state is runnable because we just started. Then we go at the method run and our working thread starts running. Then it goes to sleep for 1 second. Then competitor starts running. Then competitor is going to sleep for 3 seconds. Then notifier is going to notify waiting threads in some time. Then working thread current state timed waited. Then because it is sleeping. Then working thread called access point. It is here. Then working thread state waiting because here we call wait. And then competitor called access point. Then notifier has completed his mission. So our notifier is here. So we have called notify all for our access point that is shared between all our threads. then our working thread state is blocked. It means that here we have notify all, but access point is still caught by competitor. Then competitor released access point, competitor has completed his job, working thread has released his released access point and has completed. Then our thread is terminated because all his job is done. So, in our states linked hash set, we have new runnable timed waited for the time when our thread was sleeping. I think it is here. So it is timed waiting because here we have exact time. It is waiting here. It is blocked because here we have thread sleep for the competitor that has caught access point. Then it is blocked because competitor caught this access point, and then it is terminated when all job has been done. And then we are here. Okay. All this code I will leave below the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful for you, do not hesitate to leave the comments, thumbs up, subscribe for my channel. It is first video where we discuss thread states in Java. I think there will be more interesting video. I hope so. Code in Java, love Java. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.